List of legendary NBA players and their sons. Bronny James, son of legendary LeBron James. Shareed O'Neal, son of Shaquille O'Neal. Zaire Wade, son of Dwayne Wade. Keon Anthony, son of Carmelo Anthony. Bryce James, son of LeBron James. Shaquille O'Neal, son of Shaquille O'Neal. Jet Howard, son of Juwan Howard. Scottie Pippen Jr., son of Scottie Pippen. Gary Payton II, son of Gary Payton. Jace Howard, son of Juwan Howard. Evan Mobley, son of Eric Mobley. Jalen Brunson, son of Brunson. Cole Anthony, Greg Anthony. Kenyon Martin Jr., son of Kenyon Martin. Andre Iguodala Jr., son of Andre Iguodala. Deuce Tatum, son of Jason Tatum. Jackson Kidd, son of Jason Kidd. Austin Rivers, son of Doc Rivers. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.